Got him. Yeah, that's a bowfin. That's a bowfin. That's a bowfin. I love bowfins, man. They're so fun to fight. Oh, wow. It's a nice bowfin too. Come on, baby. Get up here. Nope. You're not going nowhere, buddy. I'll tell you where you are going. Into the net. Yes, sir. Yes. I was hoping to get onto a bowfin. Such a beautiful fish, dude. Such a beautiful fish. Oh boy. That's not good. That is not good. Yes, he did what y'all just think he did. That is not good. Well, I'll turn. Shoot. Oh, gosh dang it. That kind of sucks. Really sucks. Let's see if I can. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Gosh dang it, dude. Why'd you have to do that? Why did you have to do that? Alright, well, I'm gonna cut out there and try to get this bowfin out of the bow of my boat, so appreciate y'all enjoying the video. Gosh dang it.